Today I have came up with a strategy for those who are a new trader or have been trading in Forex for a long time but can't see the face of success. You can definitely follow this strategy because it's a strategy that is much easier than any other strategy. So anyone can master it very easily. Very simple strategy to follow, so you don't have to spend much time. You can easily master this if you want. What's more, it provides 80 to 90% accurate signal. So if you can master it, it will be helpful for your trading. Just watch the whole video so that you can understand this video. It gives constantly buy and sell signal. So this is a big opportunity to master this indicator. Then you will get instant signal from this indicator. So watch the video patiently. Just watching the video for 5 minutes, it will be helpful for your trading career. And I will show you a great technique for setting SL and TP so that you can get out of the market with maximum profit. So let's start the video without wasting time. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. There are two major advantages of this indicator. First, here you will get constantly buy and sell signal. Secondly, you can set up SL and TP through this indicator. This is a big advantage for many because many people have trouble setting up SL and TP, so they don't have to worry anymore. And the name of that indicator is Super Trend indicator. So let's see how to set up this wonderful indicator. You must have seen in the previous video how to set up the indicator in Trading Future. First, you have to click on the indicator icon at the top. If you click there, a page will come up and search by typing Super Trend. Many times there are many indicators with the same name, so you will notice where we are clicking. So after searching, an indicator has came up. We are clicking our indicator. As you can see in the chart, this indicator is set up. Here you can see two lines. One is red and the other one is green. Another thing is that this indicator is based on 8-year indicator, so you can get an idea about the volatility of the market. However, since the signal is always available in the Super Trend indicator, so if you take entry all the time, it will not helpful to you. You can see the type of this indicator on the screen. The market is on downtrend when the red line is drawn in this indicator, and again when this indicator is drawn green, the market is going uptrend. This means that when you see a green line starting after the end of the red line, you will understand that the market trend has changed. That is, market will go uptrend. So you will take entry accordingly. That means buy entry. Then again, when you see that the green line in the indicator has ended and the red line has been created, it means that the trend of the market is changing again and the market will now go to the downtrend. So you will also take entry in that way. That means sell entry. Here you can see in the market that every time line is being formed. When the green line finished, the red line is being made, and when the red is finished, the green line is being made. This will allow you to understand the trend. Surely you can see in the market that the market start going downtrend when the first red line was formed, that the market signals going downtrend. So here you can see that the market has created downtrend structure for a long time. If you take entry from here, you could make huge profit from this entry. Here the market came down to about 300 pips, which had a chance of huge profit. Then we can see exactly in this place in the market when the downtrend has stopped moving, and whenever the line has came for the trend to change, then red line stopped and green line has started. Then the trend of the market has also changed. Although the market has not raised more than 40 to 50 pips, but still it's not low profit. Then if you take entry from here, you could make some profit. That means first we get downtrend market, then we get uptrend market of 40 to 50 pips. So after that, the market has started to go downtrend again. But we can easily understand this because the green line has been closed since the beginning of the downtrend and the red line has started above the market. Then the market has gone down several pips, which is about 120 pips. So here we shown the proof of huge profit you can gain by using this indicator. You can't imagine what more surprise there in this video. Before that, I would like to request you, those who don't subscribe to FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see the rest video. Since non-stop red line and green line are being created here, so entry should not be taken as soon as each line is created, because all the time the entry will not come in your favor, because there have the 100% signal in Forex. But this indicator is very qualityful indicator, so you can follow this indicator, but you have to take entry with high surety. Even then, if you follow a trick, you will get a better signal in this super trend indicator. So I will share that trick with you. Since this indicator always gives signal, it will give signal when the market is in a range, but then the chance of loss are high. For this, you have to set up 3 super trend indicator. I say again, you need to set up 3 super trend indicator to get a better signal and to avoid loss when the market in range. That's why you have to make small setting. First, set up 3 indicator. If you click 3 times above this indicator, then 3 indicator will set up in your chart. That means 3 super trend indicator. So first, you have to do some setting. In the first indicator, you will set up length 10 and factor 3. So this is first indicator. Then you have to setting in the second indicator. In the second indicator, you will set up length 10 and the factor will be 1. So second indicator is finished. Then you have to set up last indicator. And in the last indicator, you have to set up length 11 and you have to set up factor 2. Then click OK. Then 3 indicator will set up. You can see we have set up our indicator. Many may wonder, is it possible set up one indicator 3 times? Of course, it will be set up. When you go to set up super trend indicator first, then you have to click 3 times on super trend indicator. Then 3 super trend indicator will set up in your chart. Then you have to do setting as we have shown. When the setting is done, it's time to analyze. You can see above that the 3 indicators are set up with the same name. Then you can see in the chart 3 indicator has set up. So that way you analyze here, when the 3 lines are red together, you will order to sell. I say again, you will take sell entry when you see 3 lines are red together. As you can see here, there are 3 lines. At first, there are 2 red lines. After a while, the rest of the green line also became red. And this time you can take sell order. When you see 1 line red or 2 line red, you don't take sell order. When you see 3 lines together red, then you will take sell entry. In the same way, when the 3 lines are green, as you can see on the screen, then you will take buy order. If a buy order has taken from this place, then some profit would come in your favor, which around 100 pips. I hope you understand. That means when you see 1 green line or 2 green line, you don't take buy order. But when you see 3 lines become green together, then you will take entry. So how to set up SLNTP? Setting SLNTP here is very easy, which means this indicator will help you to set up. Suppose you take buy entry from this point, then the market came in your favor. But when you see line starting to turn red, then you will close your entry, which means that is your TP. As long as there is green line in the market, you will take profit. Whenever you see red line starting, then you will close your entry. So this is very easy. When you see the color of the line is changing, then you have to understand the trend of the market will change. So you have to close your entry. This is the rules of taking SL and TP, and must set up your SL by following back point so that the market can't hit your asset. That means the low possibility. This is how can you take entry and how you take profit and how you do your analysis. Then I hope you understand this. Then if you have any problem, feel free to let us know in the comment box. FOREX BD try the level best to help you. We share a lot of strategy before, so from your point of view, which one is better or which you are following or which strategy help you in your trading career? Let us know in the comment box. And the last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.